Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide a conversation in Google Chat on Gmail. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your Google credentials to access your chat interface. After you've logged in, you'll see your chat dashboard with all your conversations displayed on the left side of the screen. Here you have the option to select either any of your spaces or any of your direct messages. Spaces are group conversations, while direct messages are one-on-one chats with individual contacts. For this example, let's go ahead and click on a direct message. This will open up the conversation thread with that particular contact, allowing you to view your entire chat history with them. Once the conversation is open, direct your attention to the top of the chat window where you'll see the contact's name displayed prominently. Go ahead and click on their name. This action opens up a menu with additional options related to this specific conversation, giving you more control over how you manage your chats. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Hide Conversation and click on it. This feature is particularly useful when you want to declutter your chat list without permanently deleting the conversation. Hiding it simply removes it from your main view, but the conversation remains accessible if the person messages you again or if you need to search for it later. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the conversation from your Google Chat interface, making your chat list cleaner and more organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.